Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by ensuring Premiere can see your media. Make sure your project and media live on mounted drives, not disconnected external disks. Once done, scan the project panel for offline clips highlighted in red or labeled Media Offline so you know what needs relinking. Then, open the project panel and select one offline item to start. This first selection narrows the search and helps Premiere map file names and folder patterns. This minimizes guessing and speeds the automatic link process. You now use the Link Media dialog to point Premiere to the correct source file. Select the offline clip, choose Link Media, and in the dialog navigate to the folder that contains the media. Once there, choose the matching file by name and confirm using timecode or waveform preview to avoid mismatches. This is why previewing matters. Make sure Search recursively or relink others automatically is enabled if your structure changed. These options let Premiere find similarly named files across subfolders efficiently. You finish by relinking remaining clips in batch. Select multiple offline items and use Link Media to map a folder pattern so Premiere can match by file name or metadata. If files still won't relink, verify extensions and codecs are supported and that path length or special characters aren't blocking access. If problems persist, clear the media cache, restart Premiere, and try again. Clearing cache forces Premiere to reanalyze files and often resolves stubborn offline or waveform mismatches quickly. This solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.